Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can send Bitcoin using crypto.com. So in order to send Bitcoin or BTC on your crypto.com, all you have to do is make sure to stick with us till the end and follow the instruction as guided. Now in order to begin with the procedure, first thing first, log in into your crypto.com. Tap the trade icon located in the top left hand side corner. Next page, you'll be able to see the interface something like this. So in order to sell Bitcoin, you'll need to tap on the withdrawal button. As soon as you click the withdrawal button, next page, it's going to take you to the interface that looks something like this. So on this interface, you need to go ahead and select the cryptocurrency that you wish to send. So in our case, we are sending Bitcoin, so tap the Bitcoin button. After that, you'll be taken to the interface that looks something like this. So from here, you need to go ahead and tap the Bitcoin wallet once again, and then you need to tap on the send button. Next page, it's going to ask you to enter in the exact amount of Bitcoin that you wish to transfer. So click the scanner icon located in the top. After that, you need to enter in the wallet address of the particular destination, and then you need to click the submit button, and as soon as you're done, click the submit button. Lastly, you'll have to go through confirmation, so make sure to go through it all, and if you're sure about it, then click the confirm button. And for the security purpose, sometimes you might be asked to provide in your passcode, so go ahead and enter in the passcode as well, and then you've successfully sent Bitcoin using your crypto.com. So in this way, you can send Bitcoin. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.